In this video, I'll show you how to wire transfer money into Coinbase and add funds to your Coinbase account step by step. First, open the Coinbase app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. You'll start on the Home tab, which is the blue house icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the option that says Transfer. This will open a menu with several options. Look for the one that says Deposit Cash and tap it, or tap the arrow next to it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer into your Coinbase account. For example, if you want to add $10, type in. After that, choose where you want the funds to be deposited. Tap the right-hand arrow next to the deposit destination, and you'll see options like US dollars or USDC. Select the option that works best for you. Now it's time to choose the account you want to transfer from. Tap on Transfer From, or the arrow, and Coinbase will show a list of bank accounts or cards you have linked. You might also see options like Apple Pay or Google Pay depending on your device. If you haven't added a bank account or card yet, tap on Add a Payment option and follow the instructions to link your preferred bank or card. Once you've selected the bank account or card, double-check that the information is correct and tap on Preview. This screen will show you a summary of your transfer, including the amount and how quickly the funds will appear in your Coinbase account. Make sure everything looks right, and your funds will be added to your account, ready to use. This process is the easiest way to wire money into Coinbase securely and ensures your account is funded so you can start trading or investing in cryptocurrency.